Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time since our last video, but yeah, busy. So today, you ready, Billy? We're gonna play Bean Boozled. Woo!
What's upside down?
Oh shit! Sorry, Bean Boozled. There you go. Sorry, guys. So anyway, yes, this is a game where you spin the wheel, and you get jelly beans, different flavors and stuff. Hold on, I try to show the camera. So yeah, woo. So anyway, the flavors you can get are stink bug, bleh, toasted marshmallow, yum, dirty dishwater, birthday cake, rotten egg, buttered popcorn, ooh, skunk spray. Who the hell thinks of putting skunk spray in the sweet? Is that not like poisonous?
It's alright, I smell it every day.
Hey! Anyway. Licorice. I don't even like licorice. That's enough punishment to me in itself. Barf. Peach. Canned dog food. Okay. You get the point, right? Okay, there's booger and all that stuff as well, right? So anyway, we have to spin the wee dial. Whatever it lands on, we have to eat. So, who's going first?
I say we rock, paper, scissors.
We're going rock, paper, scissors?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh my god.
Oh, no line. Okay, let's go. Rock, paper, scissors.
Shit. No, that's not fair.
You're go.
No.
Go on, Ollie. Booger or juicy pear. It's one of these green ones.
So, where's the camera?
Down there.
I think we should do this again.
No, go.
Fucking struggles real.
Come on, Ollie. Ollie. Eat it. Bite into it. What have you got? Have you got the pear? You got the pear? That's good then. You're lucky then.
Nice.
So okay, you got the pear. Let's see, what have I got? Chocolate pudding or canned dog food? Oh Christ.
Please be a canned dog food.
Here we go, guys. What are the odds of me getting a nice one? Slim.
50-50.
Not like with myself. Anyway, let's go. Okay, here we go. Are you ready?
What'd you get? Is it really that bad?
Oh my god. Oh.
Please, do not barf.
Oh my god, that is horrible. Oh my god. I need that bag. Hold on, guys. Oh.
Oh my god, just listen to me.
Hold on, guys. Need to stop the video a minute.